Welcome to Frequently Asked Family Court Questions. How does the court in Arizona determine child custody? When the court is tasked with determining legal decision-making and parenting time, the court must look to the best interest of the child. To aid the court in that, the legislature has written several what we as family court practitioners call best interest factors, and these are what the courts must examine and determine when entering parenting time and custody or decision-making orders. The first factor is what is each parent's past, present, and prospective future relationship with the child. The court also has to look at the interactions and relationships between the child and other family members, whether that's a parent's new significant other or spouse, grandparents, siblings, people that basically are involved in the child's life. The child's adjustment to homeschool and his or her community, each parent's physical and mental health, the child's wishes. Now this is going to be dependent on the age and maturity level of the child, but it is one of the factors regardless of age, unless the child is, extremely young and unable to weigh in at all as to their wants as far as decision-making and parenting time. The court is required to examine what the child's wishes are. Which parent is more likely to allow frequent and meaningful contact with the other parent? This factor can become particularly important when one parent is either alienating the child from the other parent or is withholding parenting time from the other parent. Whether or not there's been domestic violence either between the parties or between one of the parents and the child. Whether one party used coercion or duress to try to get the other parent to enter into a decision-making or parenting time agreement. Whether either party intentionally misled the court, whether each parent attended the parent information program, and whether or not either party has been convicted of false reporting or child neglect. Court must not only examine these factors, but actually must list them with specificity, supported with whatever facts the court has found or considered when weighing that particular factor. If the court fails to do that, most likely will result in that parenting time order being overturned on appeal and remanded back to the Superior Court for further consideration.